Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a game changer for all you fitness enthusiasts out there: the GUZACK phone holder for running with AirPods pouch. This running armband case is a must-have for anyone looking to stay connected while on the go. Stick around as we dive deep into why this is the best phone case for running. Let's kick things off by introducing this fantastic product. The GUZACK phone holder for running is not your average running armband. It's designed to cater to your every need, whether you're out for a jog, hitting the gym, or just staying active. As you can see, it's sleek, stylish, and incredibly versatile. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including the latest iPhone models, Samsung Galaxy devices, Google Pixel, and more. The best part? It can accommodate phones with screen sizes of up to 6.8 inches, and it's even designed to fit phones with thin cases. Now, what sets this running armband apart from the competition? Let's delve into its unique features. One standout feature is the unique zipper pocket. This pocket is not only stylish but also incredibly practical. It's perfect for stashing your AirPods, keys, or any small valuables like cash, ID cards, or receipts. Plus, there's a hidden pocket on the back to keep your credit cards and IDs safe and secure. Another crucial feature is the anti-drop buckle. Say goodbye to worrying about your phone falling out during intense workouts. This buckle ensures that your phone stays put no matter how active you get. Comfort is key when it comes to a running armband, and the GUZACK phone holder has got you covered. It's designed to fit arms with circumferences ranging from 10 inches to 16 inches, making it suitable for both small and strong arms. The adjustable Velcro allows you to find the perfect fit for your arm size. Just a quick reminder, if you have stronger arms, you can easily remove the extra Velcro to prevent any discomfort. Now, let's talk about functionality. One of the most impressive aspects of this armband is its sensitive touchscreen. You can access your phone's functions with ease, including password unlocking, gesture unlocking, and even Face ID. No need to remove your phone from the armband to use your apps or check your messages. Durability is crucial when it comes to an active lifestyle, and this armband doesn't disappoint. It's made of high-quality materials, including Lycra fabric that's waterproof, sweat-proof, washable, soft, and lightweight. It's skin-friendly and breathable, ensuring that it won't irritate your skin during workouts. And let's not forget about compatibility. It's not just for iPhones and Samsung Galaxies. It fits a wide range of phones from different brands, like Xiaomi, Google, LG, Moto, and more. To wrap things up, the GUZACK phone holder for running with AirPods pouch is, without a doubt, the best phone case for running on the market. Its unique features, comfort, and functionality make it a top choice for fitness enthusiasts and anyone with an active lifestyle. Whether you're hitting the pavement, the gym, or the trails, this armband has your back. Or should I say, your arm. Stay connected and keep your essentials safe while you break a sweat. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay active and stay connected with the GUZACK phone holder for running.